What up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm out here in ATL. Just driving, and I was like, what is that smell? Rotten egg smell. Anybody answer when you're driving and you smell a rotten egg smell is coming to your cab? You right there, you right there. Huh? Yes, you are absolutely right. Battery. My battery smell like rotten egg. So I pulled over at the Love's, grabbed me a battery, and this one right here, smelling bad. So here's the new battery. I'm going to install that and keep it moving. I'm on my way to North Carolina with a load. This is what happens out here on the road. You gotta be ready for anything. YouTube is my favorite friend. When something happens, I YouTube it, and if I could do the work myself, I do the work myself to keep down on overhead costs, because trucking is expensive. I'm here to tell you not all the good things that happens, but mostly the things that you have to be worried about while you're on the road. So after I finish installing this battery, I'll be back. All right, good morning, good people. I'm back. Daylight. Getting this battery together. I have changed battery and replaced it. Bad battery. I'm going to reconnect all the cables. I'm taking pictures just in case I make any mistakes. I will add pictures on this video so y'all can see what's going on. Come back and stuff. Alright, everything is back plugged up right correctly. So now we go crank this thing up and see what happens. All right, let's check the vents. And we will see what happens. Crank right up. That's a wrap, y'all.